The first iPhone 14 molds pop up online, revealing size of all four models. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Slowly but surely heat is starting up to build up around the iPhone 14 lineup. Earlier this April, the same leaker who was first to share the new front design of Apple's next flagship phone, Shrimp Apple Pro, posted the detailed schematics of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now once again, the same tipster has come out with a major reveal, which encased the photo of the alleged iPhone 14 sizes. The image displays metal molds of four models with their respective sizes written in inches, and there are few key factors to make note of. First of all, and probably the most obvious detail here, is the absence of iPhone 14 mini model, supporting previous rumors and reports saying that we won't be seeing one in 2022. Instead, there are two pair of 6.1-inch of phones, which are likely to be the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro, and another 6.7-inch of pair that should be iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Another change that is hard to miss is the increase in the size of both Pro models' camera bump. The large size nicely fits reports from famous and often correct analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who stated that camera of the iPhone 14 Pro models would be 25 to 35% bigger than the one found on the iPhone 13 Pro Max and 13 Pro. Speaking of the cameras, 2022 is shaping up to be the year when Apple is finally increasing the megapixel of the iPhone main camera. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, it will have 48 megapixel compared to 12 megapixel that each main snapper on the iPhone has had for the last 6 or 7 years. The leaked information from the tipster also says that the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will have a pill-shaped punch hole design at the front, further solidifying previous claim. The non-Pro models, however, will keep rocking the notch at least for another year. Anyhow, according to Apple Track, iPhone 14 won't be getting a USB-C. According to same tipster, Shrimp Apple Pro give us a detail that this year iPhone 14 model will not be coming with the Type-C port, even though the previous leak that has appeared for the Type-C charger that Apple has listed on their website, I don't think that leak was true. Anyhow guys, I'm super excited about the upcoming iPhone 14 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.